After the first look of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's design, we now know more secrets about Samsung's next big things. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is not getting a battery update which will have a same 5000 mAh battery. There could be a reason since the design and design will remain the same, which means there is no chance we are getting a bigger battery. But a good news for the Galaxy S23 Plus, since this phone gets a 4700 mAh battery, 200 more than its predecessor. As per 3C certification, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with 25-watt fast charger. No big changes here, even downgrade from the last year Galaxy S22 Ultra 45-watt fast charger. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to look the same as the S22 Ultra now. While this may a shock to some of you, as I've been saying for months, the design was never likely to change much. With the rising component cost, it seems every major phone manufacturers has kept the design the same or at least similar. This means they can focus on improving the phone in terms of the hardware and the software without having to rise the price. Galaxy S23 Ultra could look nearly identical to the ultra-premium Galaxy S22 Ultra, which starts at $1199, but could be major enhancements on the way, especially to the cameras, which could make the S23 a series contender for our best phones list. The S23 series might get slight changes in the design, otherwise it will be almost identical to the previous year. While S22 Ultra revived the Note series by adopting its design, there is even a leaked render revealed by OnLeaks and Smart Pics that shows an exactly similar design compared to its predecessor except for the back. If you look at the back, we'll notice a minor change, which is a 3-time telephoto module now flushed with the body along with the laser autofocus. The regular Galaxy S23 is tipped for a redesign on the back, which returns the camera bump into 3 separate lenses that are more integrated with the design. But the Galaxy S22 Ultra already had that look, and it seems like not much is changing for the S23 Ultra. Not that we're complaining, you should expect an integrated S Pen once more for taking notes, drawing and more, and we've seen one rumor that the S23 Ultra will be slightly longer and wider than the S22 Ultra, which could be to accommodate the rumored larger camera sensor. Regardless, leaker Ice Universe says that the size of the S23 Ultra is almost unchanged from that of the S22 Ultra. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.